So communication skills are the basics. We won't go much detail in the communication skills as it's a vast subject, but we will be covering those aspects which are very vital for one-to-one communication in personal selling. Because
Okay.
pharmaceutical are the one-to-one is the one-to-one if
Yeah.
you have covered, not covered. So we will try to see the practical implementation. So
Okay.
coming to the topic, communication skills. Communication is basically a series of experience, what we see, hear, touch, taste, and smell. These are the five senses
Okay.
basically.
Yeah.
So these five senses.
Okay.
So what are the communication skills? If you see the communication process,
Yes.
there is a sender, there is a message,
Yes.
there is a channel, there is a
Yes.
receiver,
Yes.
and there could be a feedback. Right now, I am the sender, I have a message that is selling skills, etc. Channel via this internet, Google Meet, and you are the receiver. And when I'm asking, you are saying yes, no, whatever, you are giving feedback. So that is the basic communication process. So it is the process of sending and receiving message to an individual or group of an individual, output through a verbal or non-verbal means. Communication can be one way or two way. So one way communication is the type in which message from a sender is sent to a receiver, some is called audience, and there is no direct response from the audience to the sender. It is one way. Just like you are watching television, so only you can see the sender is there, message is there, there will be a channel, and there is a receiver, but there is nothing like feedback. There are certain drawbacks to one way. Number one, knowledge is imposed. So since the receiver is not responding, or we are not taking any feedback, so whatever the knowledge is being imposed, you have to see that, you have to absorb that. Learning is autocratic. Autocratic and democratic. These two are the terminology we normally use in the leadership, especially. Autocratic is like a dictator who just impose the things, who just tells the things, he gives the orders, just like in army. They are having autocracy. On the other hand, there is another style called as the democratic style, where you involve your colleagues, people, etc. You take feedback, and after the consensus, you take certain decisions. So autocratic style, where you are just dictating, you are just imposing your knowledge or message or any instruction. So in one way communication, it is autocratic. Little audience participation. You might have seen in your career, there are certain presenters who don't listen to you. Even you, if you are asking, they are responding or reacting, not responding, they are reacting. So they are imposing their knowledge. No, this is what I am saying, this is right. So that is autocracy. No feedback involved in one way communication. So that is a major drawback. It doesn't influence human behavior. So the other type, that is two-way communication. The two-way communication can be described as a process by which two people or group are able to communicate with each other in a reciprocal way. just like we are talking. We are asking questions, we are discussing in a group discussion. So that is called as the two-way communication. In two-way communication, the audience respond directly. They can ask the question or comment directly with the sender. For example, direct conversation with your friends, family members, colleagues, or classroom, etc. It is the democratic style. You can see sender, receiver,
Yes.
feedback, message, channel,
Yes.
and environment.
Yes.
Communication either one way or two way. There are major four components of the communication: sender, receiver, message, and medium. Types of communication on the basis of expression: oral, written, gestures. Verbal communication, that will be our major focal point today in communication part. One will be verbal communication, other will be listening.
Okay.
So verbal communication, it is a traditional style. Word of mouth, may be hidden meanings in it. In non-verbal communication, very vital, very important, these are without words. It
Yes.
includes a whole range of body movements, gestures, postures, facial expressions, for example, smile, raise up eyebrows, etc., etc. Silence.
Yeah.
It is
Yes.
also a non-verbal communication. While you are communicating or discussing it very any other person, especially in interviews or with your peers or with your seers, you have to be very much careful in your body language. What are the communication skills? These are the ability to use language and express
Yes.
information
Yes.
in simple.
Yes.
How much skill you have that you can
Yes.
convey your message or information to the audience
Yes.
you are focusing for. So communication skill we were talking, these are the abilities to use your language and express information. And effective communication skills are critical element in your personal and professional life. What are the ways of to communicate? You can speak, you can write, you can have visual aids and body language. These are ways to communicate. What are
Okay.
the effective communication skills? It should be two-way.
Two-way.
Yes. And it should
Yes.
involve active listening. It
Yes.
reflects the accountability of listener and speaker. It should be clear.
Yeah.
It utilizes feedbacks.
Keep.
So this is a normal communication process in this diagram.
Yes.
Sender,
Yes.
message, channel, receiver, encoding, decoding. There is a feedback.
Yes.
He could be happy, he could be okay, he could be silent,
I'm
nice,
happy.
and
Yeah.
happy.
Yes.
So with his response, he could be happy or uh,
Angry.
angry maybe. So there could be
Yeah.
some response. A two-way
Or
communication.
maybe offended.
It may be offended, yes, definitely.
Yes.
So there is a response, there is a feedback, noise is there, there could be distortion, etc. This is all
Yes.
depends on the channel we are doing the two-way communication.
Yes.
Another most important thing, it must be positive and two-way. But I will have some time for the positive communication. What do you think? What I
Yes.
normally see in the society, whenever we are sitting in with our colleagues, friends, family members,
Yes.
and they are discussing anything. So
Yes.
normally they are starting with a negative.
Yeah. I see that too.
Yeah.
Sometimes, I see that too.
So maybe you are looking at sometimes. I'm looking at most of the times.
Oh, yeah. You see it most of the time. Yeah.
Especially when our Pakistani people, in our culture, while they are discussing
Yeah.
Pakistan, so they start with
Yes.
a negative,
Yes.
and everybody chip in to that. Oh yes, in
Yeah.
Pakistan, this system is not good. This system is not good. This thing is not good. This thing
Mm.
is not good.
Yeah.
That is all
Yeah.
negative conversation.
Yes.
The point would be right. They are right. They may be right to some
But
extent. There are
yeah.
too many gaps in education system, in social
Yes.
system, A, B, C, X, Y, Z,
Yeah.
because it is
Yes.
underdeveloping countries.
Yes.
Very rarely you see that they start with a positive. It's not only Pakistan. While we are discussing uh, some of our family members, our brothers, sisters, cousins, A, B,
Yeah.
C, X, Y, Z,
Yes.
whatever we are discussing. So normally we
Yes.
are discussing what? Negatives. And while you are, the discussion starts negatives, it ends up with a negative. So there are so
Yeah.
many things, so many cultures when we have to be negative. Even I used to participate one of the literary forum of Pakistan. They used to have
Yes.
normally in the night they have a session regarding literature, the Urdu Adab by BCXYZ.
Yes.
So there are certain foreign writers, big writers, and I'm used to be very much disappointed that they normally
Yes.
start negative about the Pakistan, especially.
Yeah.
So that is the point I'm taking
Um,
just for to give you an example and to
yes.
hold you here that it should be positive.
It should be positive and we should focus on our negatives to improve.
Yes, there's
Like,
this.
uh,
Please, sorry, carry on.
yeah. Yes.
Okay. So what I was saying, there is a way.
Yes.
Start with a positive, then
Yeah.
come to the area of improvements so that other person should feel that you are talking to improve himself,
Yeah.
not that they criticize him.
Yes.
Let me give you my example. I told you that I was very early promoted by my management within seven
Yes.
months.
Yes.
So there was a meeting, and most of my colleagues they were 5 years experience, 6 year experience achievers, very good. So we used to have a cycle meeting quarter basis, and it was my first meeting. And the
Okay.
two very senior marketing manager, product manager, they were also sitting there.
Okay.
So there was a presentation by one of my colleague.
Yeah.
He just pointed out his slide, and I immediately raised a question, and that was
Mm.
a negative question.
Oh.
So, so my marketing manager, he was just sitting with me. He just told me and asked me to come closer to him, and he
Yeah.
says to me very slowly, Zulfikar, always start with a positive. So that was a big lesson to me. So normally what we do in personal selling, coming to our major topic, the selling skills. So while we are sitting with a doctor or our prospect, so the
Yeah.
most important phase is the initial phase, where when you are meeting him first time. First impression is
Yeah.
the last impression. This is what very commonly said. He looks at you and make a perception about your personality, looking how you are dressed, how you are well groomed, how you are greeting him,
Yeah.
how you are behaving with him. So make an
Yes.
initial impression, and you start when you start discussion
Yes.
regarding your product or environment or the social, because there should be some starting point to start the
Yes.
negotiation. So normally it is to greet him. Hello sir, how are
Mm.
you? I am Zulfikar from ABCXY. So you are looking great today.
Yes.
Your chamber setting or this painting is beautiful. You
Mm.
started with like this. He will owe you.
Yes.
And
Mm.
you say, have a seat please. Then you start other conversations, discussions, ABC, XYZ. So I'm just holding on this line, and
Yes.
definitely your communication requires positive, but it is not easy to always start with a positive. So, in communication, should be positive and it should be two-way.